how to see recently watched videos on YouTube on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the History tab there. Tap on the View All option you see right beside the History tab, and now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll through and you will be able to view all your recently watched videos on YouTube in your mobile phone. So, this is how you can see recently watched videos on YouTube on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.